So for any of you watching who know me, and those of you who don't know me, I just have one thing to say. Murder hornets.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars.
Hi everybody, how you doing? We hope you're well, we hope you're safe. Donna and I just wanted to talk a minute. We wanted you to know this week's episode is kind of about giving back to the community a little bit. And we went out on a excursion with one organization who is trying to feed the disadvantaged in this crazy time. So we actually highlight or profile two organizations. One is a faith-based grassroots type of an organization that hands out meals literally to homeless folks here in Las Vegas.
It's a ministry.
It is a ministry. And the second organization that you'll see in this video is called Delivering with Dignity. It's part of United Way, and it's a great organization. And we have their profile video that we wanted to show just to kind of show you what's going on, because I think right now, it's about giving back, but it's also more about looking out for each other right now. And it's, on one hand, it's a shame that it takes something like this to make us all kind of go nuts and try to help people that are in need and are disadvantaged somehow. And on the other hand, people need it now, I guess, more than ever, right? So we just wanted to profile what kind of some stuff that's going on here in the Las Vegas Valley.
Yeah, we thought we'd help out. And if you're in a blessed situation and you can do something to support others, then that's kind of our philosophy. If you can help, you should. And so you do what you can. Sometimes it's just time. It's not like you have to give monetary value to something, but sometimes it's just giving of yourself or giving of your time. And we think it's important to give back. And
you know what? If you can't and you don't have it, the resources, financial or time available, that doesn't make you a bad person. There's nothing wrong with that. The point of us wanting to talk about this is you do what you can do when you can do it. That's all you can do.
It's like our philosophy of just get out there. If you can just get out there and go camping, just do it. Kind of the same thing.
Yeah, just if you can and you have the gumption, do it.
So we're going to put in the links down below, some ways that you can donate to these particular organizations. You're certainly welcome to pick your own, do what you can. But these are a couple of our favorites, and
we're not foolish enough to believe that you may not already be doing something. You may be leaving us and others in the dust with all you're doing, and God bless you. Keep doing it. So don't think for a minute that we're taking for granted that anyone watching this is not already out there giving it their all for their community.
Yeah, we're all in this together. Hang in there, guys.
We'll get through it. Donna and I are on our way to visit Robin. You met her last week on our episode 21. We're heading down there to talk to her. They are handing out meals to the disadvantaged here in Las Vegas. We'll be right back with you. We caught up to Robin at one location, and we are now moving to a different location. Didn't really get to do our interview with her, but as soon as we get to the other spot, we will. This is now their third or fourth location this morning where they're going to hand out meals. So it's a pretty robust program they've got going for the disadvantaged or the food insecure folks of Las Vegas. So anyway, see you in a minute. whole caravan shuts down to give this gentleman something to eat. This is so compassionate.
Hi, my name is Michael, and this all started just with trying to give back to the community. We, I started this like 5 years ago, and we did 50 meals, and, as of this Thanksgiving, we did 400 meals, and we're not affiliated with any big charity. It's just people, pulling money out of their own pockets, trying to do something nice.
Yeah, and and as I've said many times, I'm Robin, I'm Mike's aunt. One of the greatest gifts you could do is to give someone the gift of nourishment, because it keeps them alive, and you should never make anyone feel like they're invisible. So this group right here, my brother-in-law Tom, who's with Modern Word Ministries, my sister Kim.
Carl, how are you today?
Good. Hi, Kim.
All of us just feel like this is why we are here. We are here to serve. We are all in this together. Absolutely in this together.
Exactly.
And this is Modern Word Ministries, correct?
It is.
This is Modern Word Ministries, and Michael Ryan, but Tom is Modern Word Ministries.
Okay, very good. Well, I got to tell you guys, thank you for letting me put this on our channel, and thank you for letting me show people that people are doing good work, and people don't want to live like this. They just are because of circumstances. We understand that. Thank you very much. It's nice to meet you all, and nice to see you doing your good
work. I
work.
want to let you know what we're serving.
Oh, please do.
We're serving chips, sodas, cookies, and cheeseburgers.
I love it.
So we have some very happy family members who are enjoying their cheeseburgers.
And that is the food America runs on.
Absolutely.
Okay, so guess what happened? So, you know the door to the water station on the side of a rig. We don't have the full water bay like some of the fifth wheels. Anyway, that little door, you prop it up and you can hook up your hoses and your connections. Donna broke that door again. So, I don't know. I don't feel good about this because the door is broken and then Donna broke it again. Hey Donna, what are you doing?
Okay, so I just replaced the little pin on this door. This would be the second door I've had to do this to. So I was going to show you guys how to fix these doors in case one of them comes off.
So where's the little pin that broke?
It's this little pin right here on this side.
So there's a little nub that goes into that little
and
channel.
A spring. There's a spring in there.
Holds it all in.
And if you try to close this door,
Yeah.
while you've got something in its way, it pops off.
So we prop the door up with this little propper device right here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And so the door's like that, and then you tried to close it?
That was kind of it. I've also broken one of these, and I've broken a few other things.
Yeah, I'm not an expert, but I'm just going to suggest that maybe you take your time.
So we're going to put a link down below telling you guys where I bought these from. I actually got them from an RV dealer.
What are those?
And this time I went ahead and bought extras, because first time I only bought one, and clearly that wasn't enough. so it's just almost like if you've ever seen the inside of an ink pen, there's a little spring device, and that's what these are. Let me see if I can get this so you can see it. It's just a little spring and this little thing. So the first time I ordered it, they sent me a whole new door, which was kind of expensive, when all I really needed to replace was the little pin and spring. So just remember that if you break one of those doors, just order this little part, get your little door back on, order a couple of extra, keep them on hand. It's always good to have spare parts.
That little pool noodle, by the way, is a head saver.
Once again, in the face of a heartbreaking crisis, the people of Las Vegas have come together to help one another. Delivering with Dignity unites nonprofits with independently owned restaurants and volunteer drivers called Food Heroes to create and deliver nutritious and delicious meals to the doorsteps of the most vulnerable and isolated among us. These meals are more than just food on the table. They symbolize hope in a time of fear and connection in a time of isolation.
The cool part is we're preparing the food. I'm one of the drivers. We've got a bunch of volunteers. We're not just preparing rescue food. We're preparing food that's, got some love, a lot of love actually. We're very proud of all our staff here, and everyone's been a trooper.
It makes me feel happy that we helping the community. It makes me feel so proud. I'm thankful, I'm still have a job. I know some families out there, they don't have anything, and sometimes they don't have the health, which is the most important right now.
Delivery with Dignity has really done a great job of getting that community together, put these meals together in a safe, effective way, and get them to everybody that really needs it.
It's so easy and safe, and once you get to the house and you leave the food there and you text the person or sometimes you call them, that is just very rewarding, and they are so very grateful.
Thank you to Delivering with Dignity.
We thank you every day that you bring the food to us.
Delivering with Dignity is powered by groundbreaking technology and fueled by the generosity of donors. In less than a month, we have delivered more than 15,000 meals directly to the doorsteps of those most vulnerable in our community and kept our restaurant employees working. We are not only delivering food, we are delivering a renewed spirit to our community when it needs us the most. Please join us.
Okay, is that lens dirty?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?